Okay, so I think that you're not good
It's
at
swimming, I
cooking.
guess. No, I guess it's swimming. I
Swimming.
don't
Okay,
know.
Sakshi is vouching in for swimming. Okay, so you don't know how to swim according to Sakshi. And others?
I also think it's the third one.
It's the third one? Yes. So Ganeshta, you're
Yeah,
officially
the third
declared
one.
not. Huh? Is
Huh?
it?
I
Is
can't
it?
swim. Yeah.
All right, all right, great.
Yeah.
Okay, so anyone else who want to pitch in, or shall we proceed?
Ma'am, may I?
Yeah, sure, Nikita, sure.
So the first one is that I have been reading books since the time, like I know, as far as I know.
You have
The
been
second,
eating books,
no, reading books.
reading books. All right, all
Reading books.
right.
Uh, so the second one is that I love playing with dogs.
Okay.
And the third one is I love having coffee in any
Second
form.
one. Second one. Second
It's
one is
second
right.
one. Dogs.
Oh, she doesn't like dogs. Are you sure?
Yes.
You
Yes.
sure?
How do you know?
I think reading books. I think. How can you be reading books since you're a child? Like, literally, are you a bookworm? You love.
Yeah.
Is it? Wow,
I
great,
was
great.
handed books a lot. So
Oh,
the lie is I cannot play with dogs because I'm scared of them. I love cats.
oh, you like cats. Great. Acha. That's a fact about Nikita. Okay, great. Okay, so anyone else who hasn't spoken yet, could you tell about the best piece of advice you have been given? Best piece of advice that you've been given.
I have it written in my phone. That was given to me by Ashna ma'am only. I'll
Acha.
just find it.
Yeah, sure. Take your time. Others? Bhavnika hasn't spoken yet. Khushi, we would love to know you. Smriti, she did talk. And Rakshita, who else? Amardeep hasn't talked yet. Guys, please, it's a very interactive session. Once you break through your inhibitions and your hesitations, you would enjoy the sessions. Any
Yes,
best piece of advice?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
I
can
don't
I?
remember. Uh, okay, Sakshi, you go first.
Hey, it's okay, Samriti. You can proceed.
So I was saying that I couldn't recollect that what was the best piece of advice that someone has given to me, but I do remember something that I read few days back, and it was go big or go home. Either you give your 100% or you don't do anything at all. So
Wow,
that is something I stick by.
that's
Yeah.
really really great. That's really great. Go bigger or go home. Nice.
Yes.
yes, ma'am. And ma'am, I've also found one. She said that yes, it's okay to be there for people, but it's not okay to let them treat you like doormats and rub their dirty feet and just walk away.
Whoa, that's an intense one. But that's nice. That's really nice. That's really nice. Only a psychology teacher would have given this. She's a psychology teacher, right? She's the counselor. Great, great. She's given a very impressionable picture through the quote. Great. All right. So I think my best would be I've pasted it on the wall. I'll show you. So my way of studying is to paste these on the walls, sticky notes on the walls. So I keep on pasting and rechanging it. I think that even it might work for you all. So mine is success and failure ignored is a true success. When success and failure is ignored, it's a true success. So it means that you don't measure your day-to-day working and your dedication towards a work by success and failure. When you ignore it and then you do a thing religiously, only that's a true success. So for me, that's a quotation that I click with. So this doesn't give me anxiety because I get stressed a little earlier. So it takes me fraction of seconds. So I'm glad that I have psychology students here who could help me through that. All right, great. Okay, anyone else who wants to share the piece of advice?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah,
Ma'am, once my
Gayatri.
mom said that listen more than you speak because that's the reason we have 2 ears and one mouth.
Oh, I recently read it on Instagram. Nice, really nice,
Yes.
Gayatri. Really nice. Did everyone hear it? Was it audible for everyone? Was it?
Ma'am.
So there are 2 ears to listen and one mouth to speak. So one must pay more attention to listening than to speak. All right, great. Okay. Anyone else who wants to share? Okay. So now, another question arises. Now that I have known you better through your truths and your lies and through your pieces of advices, I would like to know if you know yourself a little better or not. So, two things that each and everyone has to write or tell about if you're willing to speak, just speak about it. What is your absolute dream job? And the second one is the cartoon movie character you resonate with. One is what is your absolute dream job? And second is the cartoon character that you resonate with. And why? Why do you resonate with that character? Hi, Mehek. Mehek, are we audible to you? All right. Anyone who would like to share can. So that you can keep it for yourself or you can speak if you would like to. Yeah. You saying, Nikita?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
So I want to work with kids in mental health, like either as a counselor or a psychologist or a therapist. Like,
Great, great, great. Very good. So, have you planned your dream? Are you already working with an NGO for the starters?
no, ma'am, I am looking for a job right now, but I did my diploma like in the
Great.
same field.
All right. So that's your dream. And what's the cartoon character you resonate with? Any character? Or maybe if I can rephrase the question, if you were to choose between Ron Weasley, Harry Potter, and the other girl, what's her name? What's her name?
Hermione Granger.
Hermione.
Hermione. So if you were to choose any of these, one of these characters, whom would be?
I I'm not a Potterhead. I haven't
Oh,
read
you're not.
any of the Harry Potter books.
Oh, which one have
So
you
I
read?
don't. Uh, I usually read standalone books.
All right.
Like the recent one I finished was Normal People, and
All
then
right.
there was Catcher in the Rye.
Great. All right.
तो थोड़ी intense ही पढ़ी है recently.
Acha. So it's fictional, right?
Mostly, yeah, fictional,
Hmm.
but I do read a little bit of non-fiction on an everyday basis, or maybe like on alternate days. A
All
small
right.
paragraph or maybe 2 pages.
Okay. Okay. Great. Great. All right. So, okay. So, another question arises here is because since we are here gathered for English speaking session, I haven't introduced myself to you. So starting with, my name is Purva. Hello everyone. So I'll be teaching you English speaking. I know that you already know English speaking, and the problem lies in the hesitation, which I can see that some of you are feeling hesitant to not speak. You have the vocabulary, you have the skills, you have the communication, but the problem lies when you don't come up and you don't share, right? And communication itself means that you have to talk. Your mind cannot speak for you, your mouth has to speak for you. So here, more than using your ears, you have to use your mouth, contrary to the advice which was given in the class itself. Yeah. So okay, so try to speak, try to talk as much as you can. You can talk about the sessions, you can talk about the slides, anything. Even I might ask you to explain the slides, right? So which will help you to get over your hesitation, because all this while we have been given the platform to study and read, but not a platform to speak. Correct? So if you're here, you have a platform to speak amongst 13 of us in English, not worrying about whether you're speaking right or wrong. Because here, trust me, you're bound to speak wrong, and that's all right. Correct? So this is my one of the major concern. Please speak, please talk, please show your faces, please feel confident about yourself, because I think psychology is teaching you the same, and I would love to empower you with the same, right? So okay, let's proceed. My name is Purva, and I've done masters in English from Punjab University itself. So that's why I know MCM, DAV, and psychology teachers, everyone, each one of them. All right. So and I have been teaching from 5-6 years now, more than, I mean, I think Corona, if Corona counts, I'd been virtually teaching since past 1 year. Otherwise, it's been 5 years face-to-face classes. All right. And okay, apart from that, I have been teaching in NGOs. So Nikita, I might help you with that, with your psychology teaching sessions, right? So I've been teaching in NGOs from past 5 years. I'm associated with Make a Difference. If you've heard about it, you can join it. You can contact me for the same. It's not-for-profit organization, helps the children in the education itself. All right. And any one of you who could tell me what you expect out of the classes is welcome to message me on WhatsApp here or anywhere you would like to. All right. Great. So let's proceed. So I'll be teaching you with the basics today, not a lot, not huge, because, all right, Sakshi, you want to speak? Sakshi, you were saying something?
No, ma'am. No, actually,
All right.
he was my sister.
Okay, no problem. All right. So starting with the basics, I wanted. Oh, is this? Just a second. All right, great. So starting with the basic. Already, today I was focusing on teaching you with tenses. All right, so, simple present tense. So before simple present tense, we should know the frame of sentences. So there is subject, there is object, है ना? So subject क्या होता है? What is subject? We all know, like the English notebook we read, and the and anything that we read is our subject, and object is whatever is written in it. So similarly, whatever we talk about is the subject. Whomsoever we are talking about is the subject, while what we are talking about is the object. So here it is mentioned the doer of the action. Someone who's doing the action is the subject, and someone who's acted upon is the object. So these are the basics through which you would feel a little more confident. And I think that for today it would look like that it's for the elementary classes, but this would help you to hold on your foundation, right? So otherwise, subjects and objects. So when we use subject, in subjects we use the noun as well as the pronoun. All right. So what is noun? Nouns are like we used to play name place animal thing. बचपन में खेला होगा आपने. Have you all played name place animal thing? Anyone?
Yes, ma'am.
You have, right? Name, place, animal thing, and then you have to put the marks, and then mera ho gaya. That used to happen, right? Huh? मेरा हो गया 5 मेरे आए 10 आपके आए, that numbers and we have to rank it, है ना? तो always remember nouns with that. Although this is kind of it is relevant for the foundation for the first class, but it might look irrelevant after a while when you have reached a certain level where you can communicate easily. For the ones who might feel uncomfortable with the basics, I'm just giving you a brief of it, right? So nouns, name, place, animal, thing. Name could be anyone. Name could be Gayatri, Smriti, Shagun, Nikita, Sakshi, right? Could be a dog's name. So I have a dog, golden retriever. So its name is Eddie. Nikita, you would not like it, but yeah, it's a golden retriever and its name is Eddie. All right. Okay. And any place, name of a place. All right. Name of a thing and name of an animal or the type of the animal: cat, dog, goat, parrot. All right. And things which can be a fan, which could be a laptop, which could be a screen. So all these things. Am I going fast for you all? Because I think I'm hopeful that you already know it. These are Smriti.
Yes, ma'am, it's fine.
It's fine. It's fine. All right.
No.
Great. Okay. So earlier I was talking about subject, object. Subject में क्या आता है? Subject में there is noun, pronoun. When you overuse noun, whenever you overuse the name, there is a sudden feeling that maybe we can substitute, replace it with some other thing. What is that thing? That is pronoun. ठीक है? So instead of using name repetitively, because it looks unattractive, when you will be using my name again and again, or a terminology or a word again, it looks unattractive when you speak that repetitively. So in general sense, you should use pronouns, but otherwise when you're using words repetitively, try to paraphrase it, rephrase it, दोबारा से उसको change करने की कोशिश करो, जो same words हैं उसके synonyms ढूंढो, ठीक है? But sentences में when you begin with the sentence, जब आप एक sentence की शुरुआत करते हैं और वहां पे आप किसी का नाम बार बार दोहरा रहे हैं, तो उस टाइम पे use a pronoun. Pronoun can be he, she, it, they, we. ठीक है? ये pronouns हैं, ये आपके personal pronouns, ये आपके starting में आते हैं he, she, it, they, we. All right? So बेसिकली नाउन्स को जो रिप्लेस करते हैं वो प्रोनाउंस होते हैं. सो दैट्स द बेसिक, टेलिंग यू द utmost बेसिक. ठीक है? सो सब्जेक्ट्स में यू कैन यूज आई, यू, ही, इट, ही, शी, इट, वी, दे. सो इसमें आपको, आई होप यू नो इट, फर्स्ट पर्सन, सेकंड पर्सन, थर्ड पर्सन. तो जनरली जब व्हेन आई टीच स्टूडेंट्स, सो उसमें मैं बताती हूँ कि थर्ड पर्सन कौन होता है. थर्ड पर्सन वो होता है जिसके बारे में हम चुगली करते हैं. ठीक है? हम कभी अपनी चुगली नहीं करेंगे, हम कभी अपने दोस्त की चुगली नहीं करेंगे. किसकी हम चुगली करेंगे? थर्ड पर्सन की. तो जो हम थर्ड पर्सन की चुगली करते हैं, दैट इज ही. उसने ऐसा किया मेरे साथ. आपको पता है कि वो कितना गंदा लड़का है, उसने मुझे ऐसे मतलब डीमीनिंग बात बोल दी. शी वाज बैकबाइटिंग अबाउट मी, शी वाज ईव्सड्रॉपिंग मी. हाँ, सो आप उसके बारे में कंप्लेन कर रहे हो. शी. सो दीज आर द थर्ड पर्सन. ऑलराइट? एंड इट आपका कुछ भी, आपका नॉन लिविंग थिंग, और कुड बी अ बेबी, राइट, और कुड बी एन एनिमल. ठीक है? सो इट उसके डिफाइन करने के लिए हो जाता है थर्ड पर्सन. ऑलराइट? देन देयर इज फर्स्ट पर्सन प्लूरल, देन देयर इज थर्ड पर्सन प्लूरल, as in the screen you can see here. Alright, I hope it's visible. So it's first person, second person, third person, and then first person plural, third person plural. Okay, and for the object, when you replace the object, वहां पे आपका लग जाता है me, you, it, him, her, us, them. All right. So ये थोड़ा ऊपर की knowledge है. I hope you already know it. And if not, you can ask me to slow down. Trust me, it's nothing. It's nothing, and we can help you. We all can help you, and we can just spend 5 minutes more, and you would be easy. It would be easier for you to grasp the other sessions. Anyone who has any challenge? Put a thumbs up. Put a thumbs up if you already know. Great, Shagun. Smriti knows. All right, great. All of you know it. Anyone who's hesitant, please message me privately. Otherwise, you can ask us to stay here. We can concentrate on that topic. All right. So, what are verbs? अब verbs को लेके there is we know what are verbs. हम कहते हैं verb action होता है. But my question lies in first thing, क्या sentence verb के बिना बन जाता है? Do you think sentence verb के बिना बन जाता है? Ganishta, do you think sentence verb के बिना बन जाता है?
Yeah, good.
बन जाता
No,
है?
ma'am, I think no.
Why?
Like,
क्यों नहीं बनता?
because I think whether it's present, past, or future, you are doing something, na?
Okay. Okay.
Always that you are doing something. I
Okay.
think you can't make a sentence without verb. Or let
All
me
right.
think once. Just a
Sakshi,
second.
Gayatri, Nikita, Smriti.
Ma'am, I think if we say she is beautiful, we are not using a verb. But
Okay.
is this like, I think so. Like when we
Good,
say,
good, good,
yeah.
good. Okay. Smriti, Gayatri, Sakshi, Raman. I saw so many names. Why aren't you participating? Bhavnika, Amardeep,
Yes,
Khushi.
ma'am, I agree with what Nikita has just said. And that, for example, if I ask, how are you? We are
Okay.
not actually using any form of verb. I mean,
Huh.
there's no action word involved in the sentence. So I think yes.
Okay. Great. Others? All right. So we'll proceed. Okay.
No, but ma'am,
Huh?
in the sentence which Nikita said, that she is beautiful, we are using a phrase, no? That
Yeah.
she is beautiful.
Hmm.
I think you can't make a sentence without a word.
All right. So Ganishta, you are
And yeah,
correct.
I want you to clear it.
Yeah. I'm doing that. Okay. So one thing about verb is you should know verb मतलब क्या होता है? Verb is action, as the name suggests. अब anyone who is dead would not be doing a verb. In fact, just a second. Am I audible to you? It shows that my internet is unstable. Am I audible to
Yeah,
you?
ma'am, you're audible.
Yeah, I'm
Yes,
audible.
ma'am.
That's perfectly fine. All right. So anything, only if a person is dead, at that point he or she is not doing a verb. ठीक है? So उस टाइम पे वो वर्ब नहीं करा. अगर हम जागे हैं, if we are alive, we are blinking repetitively. अभी इस टाइम पे you're doing so many verbs at this point. Like Ganishta, she is biting her nail. Right, she's blinking her eyes. She's smiling right now. Sakshi is looking at Ganishta. Now Ganishta is hiding her face. So this Sakshi is smiling. All right. So these are verbs. These all are verbs. What is it all? These all are verbs. Your heart is beating repetitively, right? You're awake. You're alive. And whatever you do, whatever you're doing, the finger movement. I'm speaking right now. I'm thinking right now. My breath is repetitively. मुझे पता भी नहीं चल रहा कितने seconds में कितनी बार मैं breathe कर रही हूँ, right? And all this entire action is happening. So in any case, a sentence cannot be complete without a verb. In any case, ठीक है? और जहाँ पे Nikita, you were saying that ma'am, she is beautiful, is itself is a helping verb. It's an auxiliary verb. उसको हम helping verb कह देते हैं. ठीक है? तो these all are verbs. And could you tell me, just out of curiosity, which is the सबसे छोटा verb, not a helping verb, but सबसे छोटा verb? Out of curiosity. Think, just grind your brain. Even that's a verb.
Ma'am, maybe doing,
All right.
that is a favorite word.
Okay. Others? Or maybe the shortest sentence. Not the verb, shortest sentence. What is the shortest sentence? दो शब्द का है. दो छोटे से, it is go, सबसे छोटा go. You don't have to say anything, right? आपने सिर्फ बोला go and then it's self-explanatory, right? So सबसे छोटा sentence is go and the सबसे छोटा verb, even do is there, others are there, but go. Do what? Go means चले जाओ यहाँ से, ठीक है? Okay, so go is the सबसे छोटा sentence. So it was just out of curiosity which I wanted to learn from you all if you know it. हम बचपन में ये करते थे. Okay, so what are verbs? You already know. हमें पता है कि verbs जो हैं वो action करते हैं, doing words हैं, ठीक है? Everything that we do is a verb, as I said before. So these are form of verbs which would be irrelevant because we are learning speaking right now. All right. Okay, so verbs में भी हमें पता है verbs कितने forms के होते हैं. When we are doing verbs, verbs में basically forms होती हैं जो सबसे ज़्यादा important होती हैं. First form, second form, third form, right? So whenever you feel stuck while speaking और आपको लगता है that you're not able to speak it fluently, it means that somewhere the problem lies in the form of verb that you're doing right now. जो भी आप फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब अभी सोच के चल रहे हैं ना, कि जैसे आप कभी अटकते हैं बीच में, when you would not feel hesitant while saying I'm going to the market because you think that अरे सही तो बोला है, ठीक है? It's in your subconscious mind trained कि हाँ ये सही है, बट कहीं पे आपको ऐसा आता है अटपटा हो गया है सेंटेंस. Generally the problem lies either in the preposition or in the verb, form of the verb. इन दो सिचुएशंस में आप हमेशा अटकोगे या आपको लगेगा कि probably I could have altered, probably there was some other thing which should have been adjusted, accommodated in. So whenever you want to enhance your speaking ability, concentrate on the verbs that you're using, concentrate on the form of verbs that you're using. All right, so that's a very insightful thing to do. And also when you want to learn speaking, the most ideal thing to do when you want to learn a language is when you listen to videos repetitively, one video repetitively. Look for a TED Talk. TED Talk आप देखोगे, TED Talk को repetitively देखते रहो. एक ही TED Talk है, 30 minutes की है. उसी TED Talk को either you try to analyze what they're speaking, या फिर आप कंटेंट को ध्यान से देखो कि अच्छा इस कंटेंट में they're speaking about this, these are the elements that they're talking about. All right, and look for the sentences, the structure they are introducing themselves, ठीक है? Because in future because you're here to prepare for your maybe for your internship interviews or maybe for your job opportunities, correct? So how do you sit in a job? How do you talk in a job? TED Talk is the best place where you can learn about it. What do you want to learn best about psychology? TED Talk में देखो कि psychology में क्या है, counseling उस sessions में जाके देखो क्या है, ठीक है? So उस ड्यूरेशन में आपको आपका जो अभी एजेंडा है, मे बी जॉब्स, मे बी इंटर्नशिप्स, और मे बी यू वांट टू बिकम अ टीचर, और यू जस्ट जनरली वांट टू हैव अ गुड कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स, तो इन सब स्किल सेट्स के लिए यू हैव टू यूज योर ब्रेन, आईज, ईयर्स, माउथ, ऑलराइट, एंड हैंड्स. So all of these 4 options, you have to use them. You have to use your senses. Without that, you cannot learn how to communicate. ठीक है? So ये important चीजें होती हैं, इसको आपको accommodate करना ही होगा day to day life में. And उसमें से एक part है form of verbs. जब आप form of verbs की बात करते हैं, generally आप sentences में उसी को ही गलत करते हैं. ठीक है? So first हम आज के लिए बहुत ही basic form of verb discuss कर रहे हैं, which is go, went, gone. ठीक है? तो what is go, went, gone? Go is, what is go? Why do we use go? Which form of verb is go? What is go, Ganishta? What is go, Sakshi? It's the shortest sentence we know, but what is go? Go is a simple present tense. सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस है ना? सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस क्यों है? सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस जब हम बोल देते हैं सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस है, ठीक है, प्रेजेंट में हुआ है, क्या वो लिटरली प्रेजेंट में हुआ है? इसलिए हम उसे प्रेजेंट टेंस कह रहे हैं.
That would be going, na?
हाँ,
The literal present.
the literal present would be going. तो why are we saying present tense? go को हम present tense क्यों कह रहे हैं? Why are we saying go को present tense? साक्षी, स्मृति, निकिता, Others, I can't see your faces. Bhavnika. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
So, yeah, Bhavnika, why do we use go? Go को हम simple present tense क्यों बोलते हैं?
मैम आई डोंट नो द एग्जैक्ट रीज़न बट जो मुझे छोटे होते बताया था वो ये बताया था कि क्योंकि हिंदी में उसको बोलते हैं जहाँ पे भी जहाँ पे रहा वाला चीज़ लगती है ना या जहाँ पे है लगता है तो उस चीज़ को हम प्रेजेंट में डाल देते हैं, जहाँ पे था लगता है उसको पास्ट में डाल देते हैं एंड जहाँ पे होगा ऐसा कुछ होता है तो वो सारा फ्यूचर में डल जाता है।
वेरी स्वीट एंड सिंपल एक्सप्लेनेशन, बहुत अच्छे से बताया भवनिका आपने, अच्छा बताया। और भी कोई रीजंस हैं गो को हम मतलब
Ma'am,
ये
I think it's it's first form of verb because whenever we use go in a sentence, it's usually we use it as a single whole word, and we don't require any helping verbs with it. Like, for example, let me think about an example and I'll tell.
ओके ओके स्मृति। अदर्स बहुत ही सिंपल है ये। आई वॉन्ट टू really hear अमरदीप्स वॉइस, अमरदीप कौर ढिल्लों। अमरदीप,
Yes, ma'am.
यस अमरदीप। हम गो को
Yes,
वर्ब फर्स्ट फॉर्म क्यों बोलते हैं? व्हाई इज गो वर्ब फर्स्ट फॉर्म? क्या है गो का बेसिकली फंक्शन क्या है? क्यों हम इसे ऐसा ट्रीट कर रहे हैं? प्रेजेंट, सिंपल प्रेजेंट क्यों है ये? व्हाई इज इट सिंपल प्रेजेंट? ऐसा क्यों है इसको सिंपल प्रेजेंट बोलते हैं? क्या गो अभी का एक्शन हो रहा है इसलिए सिंपल प्रेजेंट बोल रहे हैं? सिंपल क्यों बोल रहे हैं, प्रेजेंट क्यों बोल रहे हैं इसे?
Because ma'am, it's a command, like we are like when we say that go, and when we add like going, then it is continuous.
ओके, अच्छा, नहीं, मतलब वेल
Ma'am,
ट्राइड।
can I try?
या गनिष्ठा। अमरदीप अगर कुछ और भी आए माइंड तो बताना।
Ma'am,
हम्म,
ma'am, maybe I think
Yes,
because that word
ma'am.
itself has a verb in it. मतलब वो itself भी मतलब we don't have to attach something else with it.
आप
It
अगर
itself is a verb.
let's concentrate on the
Like
idea. सिंपल प्रेजेंट, हम सिंपल प्रेजेंट क्यों बोल रहे हैं उसे? गो को या फॉर एग्जाम्पल फील को, गो से हट जाओ, फील को हम सिंपल प्रेजेंट क्यों बोल रहे हैं? आप हर्ट को सिंपल प्रेजेंट क्यों बोल रहे हो? कट को सिंपल प्रेजेंट क्यों बोल रहे हो आप? क्या वो प्रेजेंट में हो रहा है? क्यों कह रहे हैं हम उसे? व्हाई आर वी सेइंग इट सिंपल प्रेजेंट?
No, ma'am, but it's self-explanatory. Like a single word can explain itself. Like if I say hurt, you have an idea that I am talking about like I am hurt or something. But hurt की तो चलो बाकी forms भी hurt ही होती हैं. But if I talk about this example, go and gone.
हम्म
So if I just say gone, then
हम्म
I think you might not get an idea that what am I talking about. तो उसके लिए मुझे एक पूरा sentence बोलना पड़ेगा.
नो, you've actually answered your answer. अगर आप गो बोल रहे हो तो वो गो हो गया, गॉन मतलब जा चुका है, वेंट मतलब भी हम वही कह रहे हैं, इट इज द पास्ट। जब हम गॉन और वेंट यूज करते हैं तो हम जनरली पास्ट परफेक्ट नहीं बोलेंगे अभी, बट हम गो और गॉन में और वेंट में हमें समझ आ जाता है कि वो तो जा चुका है, वो तो जा चुकी है। गो में हमें पता है कि वो गई, ये हमें तभी तो फर्स्ट फॉर्म, सेकंड फॉर्म, थर्ड फॉर्म हमें मदद कर रहा है बताने में। चलो, आई हेल्प यू इन इट नाउ। गो या
Ma'am?
फील, हाँ जी हाँ जी हाँ जी गनिष्ठा, प्लीज 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 स्पीक।
Ma'am, I think last try. I think it's a word that we use very often. Like I go to school every day.
हम्म,
It's like a sentence. Maybe I'm not.
Very
I think
close.
it's a
Very
word
close.
that you use quite often, and you.
वेरी क्लोज, क्लोज।
Yeah, I think.
हाँ, तो Ganeshta is somewhere, she's actually tried to reach there and you've actually grabbed it but then you left it। ठीक है, You grabbed it but you left it. तो जब हम go की बात करते हैं, when we talk about the first form of verb, पहले एक बात बताओ, आपको first form of verb पता है ना? Verb में मैं आपको पहले clear करती हूँ. Verb में जब हम verb की बात करते हैं, verb मतलब action है. Verb में 3 forms of verb होती हैं. First form, second form, third form. अब ये जो forms हैं, these will be used for the tenses. अब टेंसेस जो है वो मदद लेते हैं इन फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब्स की. ये जो आपको वर्ब दिख रहा है ना, वर्ब फॉर्म, टेंसेस इसकी मदद लेंगे. क्यों? ताकि वो बता सके कि एक्शन कल हुआ, आज हुआ, या परसों हुआ, या काफी टाइम पहले हुआ. ठीक है, तो वो टेंसेस इन फॉर्म्स की मदद लेते हैं. जब हम सिंपल प्रेजेंट की बात कर रहे हैं, जब हम आपको गो, हर्ट, फील, कम, है ना, सॉरी हाँ कम, इन सब चीजों की बातें कर रही हूं मैं जब, तो उस ड्यूरेशन में हम क्यों यूज कर रहे हैं का आंसर है आई गो टू स्कूल. It's a fact. When we talk about fact, when we talk about universal truth, when we talk about habits, hobbies, उस टाइम पे हम simple present tense use करते हैं. It was as simple as that. ठीक है? It is not necessary that वो चीज उस टाइम पे हो रही हो. In fact, वो generally these things are fact या आपका universal truth. जैसे sun rises from the east, है ना? So it's a universal truth. तो आप sunrises बोल देते हो. ES का हम बाद में आपको बताऊंगी क्यों लगा ES, बट sunrises from the east आपने बोल दिया, तो उस टाइम पे आपने क्यों बोला? Because that's a universal truth and that's a simple present. It's astonishing to think like that कि हाँ simple present है ये, पर ये तो मतलब रोज होता है. तो इसीलिए तो simple present है, क्योंकि वो रोज होता है. Every day that action is happening, only because of that it is simple present. आपकी hobbies you do it daily. Whatever hobbies you have, you do it daily. You commit it daily. So whatever has the consistency, जो भी आप consistently काम कर रहे हैं, जो आप practice daily कर रहे हैं, daily, जो आप daily चीज कर रहे हैं, that will be the present form. I wake up at 7 o'clock. बचपन में करते थे हम आर्टिकल. I wake up at 7 o'clock. Then I brush my teeth. Then I go to the school. I eat my eat my lunch there. My teacher teaches me English. Then my dispersal happens and then I go back, come back to school. Come back end में, ठीक है? Come back to school. ये आपका कहीं भी आप बता दो मैंने आपको past use किया, कहीं भी बता दो मैंने perfect use किया, perfect tense, नहीं हुआ ना. तो ये सारा this is a truth, this is a fact, this is a daily habit, this is an action. So इतना easy चीजें होती है जिसमें हम अटक भी जाते हैं generally. बल्कि हमारे वो subconscious में it is trained कि हाँ ये तो ऐसे ही होना है. But why is the question? All right. So today I think am I clear? Have I cleared all your doubts?
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Okay. So again यही चीज मैं आपको जो मैं आपको बता रही थी, I think भवनिका आपने अच्छा बोला था, बट आपका थोड़ा सा क्रैम्प्ड कंसेप्ट था. ठीक है, तो इसके पीछे रियल लाइफ एग्जांपल्स देखने के लिए आप खुशी भवनिका आप में ये सेंटेंस पढ़ोगे? खुशी, महक, खुशी, am I audible to you? Can you listen me? Khushi, is she there?
Hello.
Hi, Khushi. Can you just read out the sentences on the screen, which are appearing on your screen?
Can I please join from another device? My phone isn't working properly.
Oh goodness. All right. Please do that. Until then, I'll ask Bhavnika to read it. Bhavnika? Yeah. Please read the sentences to describe facts and habit.
I like chocolate.
Okay.
Fact.
That's a fact,
Angela
Bhavnika, for you. Is that a fact for you? Do you like chocolates?
Yes, ma'am, it is.
You like chocolates? All right. So that's a fact. That's a simple present tense for you as well. All right. Great.
Angela runs a youth club full of clue sniffers.
Okay.
I ride horses in the summer.
That's a fact and habit. Oh, I think nobody lied about the horses, है ना? Only the swimming part. Okay.
It always snows here in January.
Okay.
Fact and habit. John plays chess in the evenings. Fact and habit.
Hmm. These activities
No.
do not have to be happening right now. ठीक है? So thank you, Bhavnika, for saying the lines loud. Okay. So all of these habits and facts have been mentioned here. तो जो भी आप fact और habit के बारे में बात करते थे वो simple present tense में होता है. So like is verb का first form. Run is also first verb form. ठीक है? And then ride again verb first form. Then snows is also verb first form. Plays is also verb first form. तो यहाँ पे verb के सारे first form use किए गए हैं. All right? And it's a fact for and again fact habit for the person who is speaking it. All right? Okay. So main thing to note down is these activities do not have to be happening right now. इस time पे इस पल में इस समय at this very moment these activities are not supposed to or are not bound to happen. They shouldn't be happening. मतलब ऐसा नहीं है ये अभी ही होगा तो ही ये simple present कहलाएगा. All right? Okay. So let's go ahead. Okay. So again, another fact about simple present is the types of sentences, especially if it's describing a habit, will usually include in sentences में these sentences that we mention about simple present जो हम simple present tense की बात कर रहे हैं ना तो उसमें ये जो expressions हैं ये सबसे ज्यादा यूज होते हैं. Always, she always comes late. ठीक है वो हमेशा देरी से आती है. That's a simple present tense. When you speaking you'll feel more confident now after speaking it. जब आप बोलोगे she always comes late तो आपके दिमाग में clear होगा always बोल दिया मतलब वो habit है. Every year I make a resolution every year but fail to follow it. किस किसने resolution बनाए हैं वैसे by the way? किस किसने न्यू ईयर रेजोल्यूशन बनाए हैं और फॉलो किए हैं? कौन कौन है यहाँ पे ऐसा? हाँ नया साल नई किताब की तरह. Okay, so what's Ganishta's new resolution, new year resolution?
Ma'am, I started journaling.
Oh, that's journal. You've started writing journal.
Yeah.
Great. That's a
Yeah.
very nice one.
Yes.
Great. Do you like to write poems?
Yeah. I did in school time. I used to write poems.
All right. Great.
But now in college, because I was in Kamal.
Okay.
They used to be mad for English and they used to promote it like so much. But college mein they don't focus much on it. So I kind of left writing now.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Great. All right. Others? Bhavnika ने कोई New Year resolution बनाया? Anyone who's made New Year resolution?
No, ma'am.
No, Bhavnika? Great. Okay.
Exactly. ये resolutions टूटने के लिए बनाते हैं.
Okay. That's honest. Okay. And others? Nikita, have you made any? Okay,
Yeah,
you
I
did?
but I've not been following them so much.
You've not
few
been following. Yeah, that happens. I think the best New Year resolution could be consistency and discipline.
Yeah.
Working on the minors, है ना? Okay. Shagun Talwar. Mehak.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Hi, Shagun, I
Yes,
can't see
ma'am.
your face. Where are you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay. Shagun, what's your New Year resolution?
Ma'am, I haven't made any.
You haven't made
feel
any?
that I
Okay.
feel that for me, starting of the new year is not the you can say right time or something for me to start something. If I feel like okay, this is the time I have to start something new and I have to add in my life, so I just start doing it. Basically, I recently started. It's not like my resolution or something. I recently started that Buddhist meditation, that
Wow.
Namo Renge Kyo. So I
Great.
recently started it. So it's not like I started a new year because of new year. I just felt like starting it, and so I started it last week only.
Great. That's nice. One of my friend is doing Buddhism. And also Ganishta and I have shared the same resolution. I'm writing journal too. Yeah. Mehak? Meg,
really
what's your
helps,
news?
very
Sorry? Yeah, it's really nice. It's really nice. Although I don't handwrite it,
It
I
really
put
is.
it on my notes. Hi, Mehek. Good to see you.
Hi,
Yeah,
ma'am.
anyways, it's fine.
Yeah, good to
You
see you,
too.
Mehek. Okay, so what's your New Year resolution, Mehek? You're
Ma'am, I
blushing so
haven't
much.
made.
Am I too attractive to you?
No, ma'am.
You're blushing so much. That's nice that you switched on the video. All right.
Ma'am, I haven't made any, but I have just ordered an gratitude journal.
Oh, you've ordered in gratitude journal. Great. Great, nice. So you'll be writing in it too, right? आप लिखोगे भी ना
Yes.
उसमें या आपने सिर्फ ऑर्डर कर
Yes,
ली?
ma'am.
You'll be
No,
writing too.
ma'am. I would be starting with it. I'm just waiting
Okay.
when it will arrive.
Okay. So who amongst you is Friends fan? Friends कौन देखता है? Oh, great, great, Shagun.
Me.
Else Ganeshta watches it. Amardeep अचानक से मैम चलो ग्रेट ठीक है तो फिर हम नाइस सो उसमें देयर इज अ प्लानर बुक आई शेयर अ वेबसाइट इफ यू वुड लाइक दैट सो वहां पे एक प्लानर एंड जर्नल बुक है विद अ चैंडलर सुना है ना सो इट्स लाइक कैलेंडर फॉर 2020 so it's calendar for 2020 so it's a very attractive book and I think you'll like it. I've ordered the same so I'll share the link if I get it. All right. Okay. So I was talking about every year, anything that you do every year, daily, or you never do it. It shows that आप उस चीज को consistently नहीं कर रहे हो. Habit, functions, ठीक है? On Mondays, often, rarely, sometimes, usually. तो ये सारी जो टाइम एक्सप्रेशंस हैं इससे पता चलता है कि ये प्रेजेंट टेंस की बात हो रही है ठीक है सो आई एवरी डे और आई हैव बीन वाचिंग Friends every day, every night before sleeping. I watch Friends for at least 20 minutes and then I sleep. The one episode is of 20 minutes. I've overwatched it. I think I've completed the seasons like thrice now or maybe more.
Ma'am,
So
I'm
yeah,
also on my fifth round actually. Fifth round
you're
right
also on
now.
your
Yeah,
fifth.
during lockdown.
Yes,
You're in
ma'am.
lockdown.
I'm watching it for the fifth time, and I always, whenever I'm having lunch or dinner, I recently had a fight with my friend because we share our Netflix subscription. They were not updating it. I was like, how am I going to eat my food if you're not going to update it?
I
So I
totally
watched.
relate. I resonate with it. Totally. Okay. So Ganeshta too is a fan. Great. Okay.
Yeah, it's
Mm,
such a cheerful show. It's so happy. It makes you happy.
true. Very true. Okay. So other than that, yeah. So और क्या करता है when we talk about simple present tense, it describes the events in the future. तो जैसे the train arrives at 5 o'clock. ठीक है इट्स लो टाइड एट 0234 ठीक है वहां उस जगह पे लो टाइड है सो बेसिकली यहाँ पे शेड्यूल भी बता रहा है अबाउट फ्यूचर ठीक है सो द ट्रेन अराइव्स एट 5 o'clock अब बेसिकली ये फ्यूचर टिपिकल तरीके से नहीं बता रहा बट वो उस चीज का फैक्ट भी बता रहा है फ्यूचर का फैक्ट कि हाँ अगर आपसे किसी ने पूछा कि व्हेन इज द ट्रेन अराइव्स एट 5 o'clock यूजुअली ठीक है तो आप उसमें बता रहे हो कि 5 o'clock आ रहा है तो अगेन यू आर शेयरिंग अबाउट द फ्यूचर येट सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस है ये एम आई क्लियर टू यू ठीक है अगेन yes we know it is supposed to be the simple present tense all right so ये भी एक फैक्टर है मैंने आपको हैबिट्स बताया आपको बताया कि डेली प्रैक्टिस जो आप करते हैं या आपकी हॉबीज हैं और एनीथिंग विच इज अ यूनिवर्सल ट्रूथ अगेन ये चीज भी इसमें आ जाएगी विच इज इवेंट्स इन द फ्यूचर दैट कैन बी मेंशन टू ठीक है अब सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट चीज इन सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस इज फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू नीड टू लर्न द फर्स्ट फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब जिनको भी टेंसेस में इश्यूज आते हैं स्पीकिंग में इश्यूज आते हैं please think about the tenses that you're using. I'm repetitively insisting on it because tenses only makes or breaks the fluency of English. All right. So first thing when you think about simple present tense is मैंने आपको चुगली के बारे में बात की थी कि आप हमेशा थर्ड पर्सन की चुगली करते हैं तो जिस इंसान की आप चुगली करते हैं ना उसके साथ आप एस लगा दोगे ही शी इट के साथ एस या ईएस लग जाता है ठीक है इन सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस मोस्ट रेगुलर वर्ब्स यूज रूट फॉर्म एक्सेप्ट इन द थर्ड पर्सन सिंगुलर रूट फॉर्म मतलब क्या हुआ जो हमारा वर्ब फर्स्ट फॉर्म है, जैसे कि गो वेंट गॉन है, ठीक है, तो उसका आपने देखा हो शी गोज टू स्कूल डेली, शी के साथ, ही के साथ, इट के साथ एस और ईएस लग जाता है. एम आई क्लियर? इज द एग्जाम्पल क्लियर? ये बहुत ही सिंपल एग्जाम्पल है कि थर्ड फॉर्म थर्ड पर्सन के साथ. चुगली, एक और इसका एग्जाम्पल करते हैं. चुगली की बात नहीं करते, गॉसिप की बात नहीं करते. कंसिडर अ ब्रिक इन माई हैंड, विल आई हिट माई सेल्फ विद द ब्रिक? विल आई हिट माई सेल्फ विद द ब्रिक? मैं अपने सर पे ब्रिक मारूंगी? वुड आई हर्ट माई सेल्फ विद द ब्रिक? नो, राइट? वुड आई हर्ट माई फ्रेंड विद द ब्रिक? मैं अपने किसी फ्रेंड पे के सर पे ब्रिक मारूंगी? बट अगर मुझे पता चला कि कोई मेरे बारे में बैक बाइटिंग कर रहा है, अगर मुझे पता चला कि कोई मेरे लिए फॉल्स इंटेंशन रख रहा है, मेरी फैमिली के लिए फॉल्स इंटेंशन रख रहा है, वुड आई नॉट पिक द ब्रिक एंड हिट देम? The people I'll be hitting with the brick are the he, she, it. So consider the brick as he, she, it. ठीक है? तो he, she, it के साथ the people you will not, the people you will harm with the brick are he, she, it, और उन्हीं के साथ s और es लगता है. That's a very violent example. Don't practice it. But then remembering s, es, वो brick वाली जो है, these are the s, es person, third person है वो. ठीक है? अमरदीप क्लियर हुआ आपको? गायत्री, महक हुआ? थोड़ा फास्ट तो नहीं जा रहा? फास्ट जा रहे तो आप मुझे प्लीज, मैं आपको निकिता को आई शेयर द माय फोन नंबर, यू कैन टेक्स्ट मी इफ यू फील हेजिटेंट. So from tomorrow on I can go a little slow, or I can give you notes that can help you to understand the classes. All right? किसी को भी लगता है I'm going fast, please let me know. All right? Because I'm assuming कि आपको ये पता है, हम इसके ahead जाएंगे. So next our session would be about the connectors, what attractive words you can use in your speeches. All right? And tenses will go on. So सबसे important चीज हम कल discuss करेंगे, which is past tense. And maximum time whenever you phrase your sentences, 80% of time. ध्यान से सोचना, 80% टाइम आप जब भी टेंसेस यूज करते हैं, that is a past tense. 80% of time when you speak word from your mouth is a past tense. So if you learn about past tense and उसकी अगर आप implication and application समझ जाएंगे, उसके बाद speaking and fumbling is actually would be alien to you. You would not fumble. You would not fumble. ठीक है? तो 80% of time past tense. तो अभी मैंने आपको सिर्फ एक नॉर्मल फैक्ट, जब आप किसी फैक्ट के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं, किसी हैबिट के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं, यूनिवर्सल ट्रुथ के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं, फ्यूचर से इंटेंडेड छोटी सी कोई चीज जैसे ट्रेन अराइज एट 5, इसके बारे में बात कर रहे हैं ना, ये अगेन इट्स अ फैक्ट ओनली, बट इन अ सेपरेट कैटेगरी आई हैव डिफाइंड. मैंने आज आपको ये कराया, बट कल आई विल टीच यू अबाउट द पास्ट, and also we'll talk about it, and we'll have a session, interactive sessions, where each one of you interacts with each other on certain topics, maybe buy or sell something, maybe any other session. All right? In regards to talking. All right? So today was just an introductory session for all of us, just to know you all better, and I touched on a little lighter topic. See you tomorrow, and we can have a great session tomorrow as well. All right? And please let me know if you have any feedbacks, anything that you want to add on, anything that you want me to accommodate for the session, anything that you would like would help you in near future if you're planning for something different. So you can just give me a message, and I'll share the message, my phone number with you. Just a second. I'm sharing my phone number on this chat. Just a second. Here's my phone number. My name is Purva. You can ping me, you can call me, feel free. I think thank you, Bhavnika. It's my pleasure. And thank you so much, Gayatri. I'm happy that you liked it. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Acha, Bhavnika wrote dream job. The one I'll never get tired mentally of and would enjoy doing it each minute. Wow, Bhavnika. That's actually really great to think about it this way. Something that feels you, that makes you feel motivated and passionate about something that makes you happy and smile each day. Nice. Yes, ma'am. Good evening. Actually, my mic is not working. It's okay, Mehek. It's a past tense now. All right. Great. So anything that you want to share, anything that you want me to accommodate, please share that. And I think that's it for the session. Great seeing you all. It was lovely seeing you all. Bye. Take care. Have a great time. Bye all.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank
You're
you,
welcome.
ma'am.
You're welcome.
Bye,
My
class.
pleasure.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Most welcome. Most welcome, Mehek.
Ma'am, I had a kind of a suggestion
All right.
that can you please share the notes afterwards, like after the class is over for the day?
Okay, for the day.
Because yeah,
All
like
right.
what we've done, kind of that. Or
Okay,
maybe you
okay.
can share the presentation later on, or whichever is convenient to you.
I was thinking that I can share the presentation after the session ends. Would that be fine with you?
Yes, ma'am, absolutely. That works
Yeah,
as well.
I'll do that, sure. Khushi, Khushi wants to say something?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah,
Ma'am, actually, I'm still confused between what to choose. I was wondering if you could help me with some questions. I was
sure.
planning to do my master's in English,
Okay,
but somehow my mother told me that psychology would be a better option. But
okay,
currently, I'm confused between the two.
okay. So why do
I
you
know
want to
psychology.
pursue? Okay,
Ma'am, go ahead, please.
yeah. Why do you want to pursue psychology and why do you want to pursue English?
Ma'am,
Question is
psychology
why.
is Yes, ma'am. Psychology is something that I'm very interested in,